Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I'm sure you're all doing good. Merry Christmas to you all. So I bring you all another recipe. Today we are having okra soup, okra slash ogbono soup. Ogbono is a food thickener or rather a soup thickener. So I'll be taking you guys through on how I prepared this delicious soup. Let's get started. We're going to start off by slicing our okra into smaller sizes. You can slice yours as you prefer it to be. If you're new here, my name is Victoria and this is Victoria's Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you love this recipe, do consider supporting me by subscribing to my channel and be a part of this lovely family. I'm sure you're going to love it here. Over here, we make delicious recipe and also healthy ones as such. So to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate all your love, all your support. Thank you for sharing my videos, all those lovely comments. Thank you so much. And God bless you all. So as you can see, I'm done slicing the okra. I'll set that aside and then go ahead to marinate our meat. Here we have stockfish, towel, and turkey meat. I've just added onion. I'll add my spices. You can use any spice of your choice and a little bit of salt, and then mix all of this together to combine, and then cover up and place on the stove to start cooking. Usually I cook this approximately 20 minutes to make sure that the meat is properly done. Keep watching, guys. So now we're gonna start the main cooking. In a hot pan, add your preferred oil, add onion and stir slightly. Once that is heated, approximately 3 to 4 minutes, then add your pepper mix. This is the mixture of sweet peppers, habanero pepper, onion, ginger, and all those good spices. So stir properly and allow to fry like about 5 to 6 minutes. Once you notice the oil floating on top of the pepper mix, that gives the indication that your pepper mix is done. So go ahead and add your soup thickener. I've just added ogbono here and I'll stir properly. So once it's properly combined, I'll go ahead and add the meat and the meat stock. Depending on the amount of meat stock you have, so you guess whether or not you need to add a bit more water. The soup thickener helps to make the soup to draw, okay? So you might need to add a little bit more water. On my own case, I added a little bit more water on top the meat stock, okay? I'll cover up and start cooking for at least 15 minutes. Make sure to keep stirring to avoid your food burning. So our soup has been cooking for a while now. You might have noticed that I kept stirring. This is to prevent our soup from burning. So here I'll go ahead and add our okra. This is the final stage. Usually I don't cook my okra for long because okra is a vegetable. All it requires is a little bit of steaming. So I'm just going to stir this properly, mix properly, combine, and then gauge whether or not I need to add a little bit of water depending on how runny you want your soup to be. If you want it to be thick, if you want it to be a little bit watery but not that too watery, you add a little bit more water. But I think I ended up adding a little bit of water because it was quite on the thicker side. So guys, here is the final look of our soup. It's looking so delicious. Look at how it is drawing. Look at how the soup is drawing, guys. If you watch up till now, I do appreciate all your love and support. Thank you so much. You are the best. God bless you. So, guys, let me know what you think about this soup on the comment section. So, take care. I will see you all in my next one. With that, keep walking by faith, trust in Jesus, never give up, keep pushing, for God loves you. Bye. Stay blessed.